This video explains how to use the 5-ring gas hob at the White House. So you'll find this in the central island. You'll see that there are dials below and you have the 5 gas rings. So here you can see the white out circle, which corresponds to the bottom right, is for this dial, and then you can follow it along. So this is top right, this is this one here, this one is at the top, and then this one is for the big gas there. Now to use it, you just push down. This will start the igniter and then turn. You'll see the gas is on, and then you release. And then if you turn it counterclockwise, it will turn down the gas. And if you turn it clockwise, it will go to the maximum. If you turn it to the 12 o'clock position when you're finished to ensure the gas is off. Please ensure you wipe down any spillages using a soft cloth. And that's how to use the gas hob. Thank you.